Hello, welcome to Society of Artificial Intelligence, Society of AI. My name is Vibhuti Singh. In this video lecture, I will try to explain you about Prolog programs and their logic. So to begin with, I will tell you what actually Prolog is. So Prolog is a logical programming language, as we all might know. In contrast to other various languages, in Prolog basically have definitive programming language. Prolog contains rational A, which is communicated using in the prima facie of relations, which are called facts and rules. So we basically apply lot of rational A in Prolog. And to make a Prolog program, what we do basically is we write our program in the word processor file. After it, we will save it with a extension of .pl, and then we will compile it. In Prolog, to add your information, in Prolog programming language, there are inherent predicates which contains the succession of objectives, which are then used to determine the objective and system brief. Also, to write a Prolog program, the user, which will be us, has to write a program which is written in Prolog language, obviously. Then we will load the program, and afterward we will determine an arrangement of at least one objective. So there will be a lot of objective. And how we'll be determining the objective, I will tell you shortly. So starting with terminology of Prolog programming language or Prolog program logic, I will tell you about three basic statements. First is dog, Rottweiler. Second, cat, Munchkin. Third, animal A, cat A. Here the colon will represent if. So the basically third read statement says, if A is an animal, then A is cat. To terminate a single line, single clause, we use full stop. So basically, as we can see by the example, that our Prolog program will have a wide sequence of different clauses, a number of clauses. So example of fact here will be, so as I said, facts and rules. So to begin with, in this example, fact will be dog, Rottweiler, and cat, Munchkin. This means that Rottweiler is a dog and Munchkin is a cat. If we consider a single statement, that is dog, Rottweiler, then the term dog will be called predicate. It will be having a one argument which will be written inside the braces, parentheses, and the statement, the argument which will be written inside the parentheses is known as atom. Here it is Rottweiler in our case. So another example, we see animal A colon dog A. As I told you just last minute, that colon represents if, and this statement A is a variable. This clause will read as, if A is an animal, then A is a dog. So after writing this much logic, our compiled program will form a deduction. To check our query in deduction, we'll execute a query, that query animal Rottweiler. We are asking that if Rottweiler is an animal, then the answer is yes, because we defined in our example that if A is an animal, then A is dog. If Rottweiler is an animal, then Rottweiler is a dog. So which is true, which is in our query. So it output as yes. To imply our second statement, that is Munchkin an animal, as we don't define that cat is also, the atom of cat is also an animal, so there will be no deduction about this query, and the possible output will be no. Coming to the key features of Prolog. So Prolog programming will have three key features, namely unification, backtracking and recursion. To begin with unification, as the name goes, unification represents the terms in a same structure. Basically unification gives the representation to the same kind of structure in a different terms. Now what does backtracking means? If our upcoming or ongoing statement or task or execution fails, then Prolog program will reverse back to the just previously satisfied clause or task, and it will save the result for that previous class. Now coming to recursion. Recursion, as we know, is the basis of any search in a program. Using recursion we search, using recursion we form a loop and can check conditions. Even in the previous key feature, which was backtracking, to reverse back to the previously fulfilled execution, recursion will be used. And how a Prolog query will look like and execute, or here I will tell you the visualization of a Prolog query. The first query which goes, is Sonu a singer? Query singer Sonu means, is Sonu a singer? The output here is yes. 5. Because in our knowledge base or the database, executed file database, we specified that Sonu is a singer. If A is a singer, then Sonu is a singer. We might have defined it in our database. So here the possible output which came is yes. If we would have not defined Sonu as a singer, then this result might have produced no. Coming with the next query, it goes, is 7 an odd number? The output here is no. Why? In mathematically 7 is an odd number, but how will a computer know? Because computer haven't done a textbook of mathematics. It only delivers the result based on programs and softwares. In our previous program, for example, we might have not defined the conditions for a number to termed as an odd number or an even number, and our query lacks with this kind of deduction. Hence it output as no, because it does not find any conditions, any direction which terms 7 as an odd number using the knowledge base or database. As every programming language has various advantages and disadvantages, starting with the advantages of Prolog. So Prolog is very simple to manufacture database. Prolog is very easier to produce facts. In database in Prolog, we term them as facts. And there isn't any need to produce a ton of programming steps to create a database, to manufacture a simple database. Even the fact coordination, example coordination is very simple. Search is recursion based, so it is fast and saves a lot of memory. Prolog contains a list. It takes care of a list, which makes it simple to play with any calculation, including records, because it is simple to manufacture database using facts. So it will create a list which will eventually make it simpler to search any record. Now coming to the disadvantages of Prolog. We know that there is another programming language, Lisp. Lisp being another logic programming language, has advantageous features over Prolog regarding the input-output highlights. And many a times in our Prolog program, input and output is not easy. It's not that easy as it looks like. These are the advantages of the Prolog. Although Prolog, being a very initial level language, is very easy to learn and apply. With the application, Prolog is highly utilized in fake intelligence (AI). Prolog is likewise utilized for design coordinating over natural language parse trees. So Prolog का बेसिकली दो यूज में बहुत यूटिलाइज हो रहे हैं. पहला है आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस में एंड दूसरा है नेचुरल लैंग्वेज पार्स ट्रीज में, नेचुरल लैंग्वेज प्रोग्रामिंग के पार्स ट्रीज में. With this, I hope you might have received a basic gist or brief gist of how programming in Prolog works, how logic in Prolog works, what are the advantages and disadvantages, basic terminologies, key features of the Prolog language, and its logic most importantly. So I'm signing off. Thank you. Have a very nice day ahead.